So today we have a project. Taylor's renovating part of her house, or her dad's house, to move back into one of these days. And so I'm a big sucker and she drags me in all the time. So we're doing a floor today in one of the bedrooms, and we got 2 more bedrooms to do, but that's not for today. So we got our tools, we're ready to go. Here we go.
Hold on, Bessie.
What? Thumper. There you go.
Even brought my car.
Okay. Yeah, don't yell at me. Forgot my safety glasses today.
This one, just do your 3/4 cut. This one is the one that's going in the closet.
3/4 cut. So I am putting it in this way. So I'm gonna cut.
No, you have to put it around your face.
I gotta do the other way. So I need to cut off this side. See,
that's the way it's going in.
This is what Taylor does. She helps me think faster.
No, you're so wrong. You're so wrong.
I'm not.
Isn't that the way it's going in? You're facing the wrong direction.
This is the wall. Well, what the hell?
I
Okay.
was right.
So, okay. I'm going in the closet. This is the side I need. No. I need this side on that, because the other side is going to go in. So I need to cut this side.
Yeah, you need to cut
See?
here.
She's good at distracting and asking questions and confusing me, and then we go around in a circle a whole bunch. So, okay. So when I'm looking at it, I need this piece. Yes, I need this piece. So I'm going to cut this side. And I need it 3/4 ish. This way. Did I mention she's bossy? So, Taylor, tell me a little bit about what your role is in this whole project.
I don't know what is my role.
Telling-
Telling you what to do.
And
Making sure you're doing it right. What else is my role?
she also gets the boxes, sweeps the floor to make sure the shavings are all up, and sharpens the pencils with a utility knife.
Hey, I make sure they're like locked in.
She's-
I'm the perfectionist one.
She's a perfectionist,
Mhm.
which tells you that she's just sitting here bossing me around all the time.
Which means you end up doing a really good job because it's done correctly.
She's the quality control manager.
Yeah.
What are you doing there, Taylor? One of your other jobs?
Slaving. I'm slaving.
She has the job of the pencil sharpener.
Lucky me. It's still out.
What?
It's still out a little
You're
bit.
crazy.
I can see a little gap.
You're nuts.
Use the other side. Oh, I see it.
There it went. All right, when she's right, she's right.
You want to say that again?
When she's right, she's right. So this is today's finished product. It's a small bedroom, lots of corner cuts, lots of crappy BS trying to go around corners and stuff. But, yep. On to the next room.